Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate it. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. I would love for you to become part of my YouTube family. Also, do not forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified next time I upload a video. Okay guys, I'm cleaning out my refrigerator, giving it a deep clean, and I decided to bring you guys along with me because I'm headed to the grocery store tomorrow. We have two storms coming back to back, so I need to get a few things, and I'm like to clean out my refrigerator before I go to the store, so that way I would not have to do it when I come back home. So I took everything out. My fresh dish water, I have bleach and detergent in there and warm water. This is everything on the counter that I took out the refrigerator. I clean everything off. That's what I like to do. Once I clean the refrigerator, well, before I clean the refrigerator, I like to clean everything off before I put it back in there. Don't want to touch anything sticky or dirty or anything like that. So that's everything that came out the refrigerator, wiped down already. And so I'm gonna get started with the refrigerator. It's not that bad. I try to keep up with it at least every 2 weeks. I would say every 2 to 3 weeks I try to do it, if not once a month. So it all depends on how I'm feeling and what's going on. So let's get started. Again, warm water, bleach, and detergent. It's not that bad at all. Guys, let me know down in the comment section, how often do you guys clean your refrigerator? Do you like to do it before you go to the store or after? Do you do it every 3 weeks, 2 weeks, every week, once a month, once a year? Just curious. Getting ready for that storm that we're supposed to be having, coming back to back Saturday and Sunday all the way into next Tuesday. I hate going out in the winter, especially when it's snow. It slows everything down, and it's very icy, slippery, and slushy. Slows everything down as well. I don't like it. Plus it can be dangerous. People act crazy, don't know how to drive, and especially if you live where I live at in the Northeast, you should know how to drive and act by now. If you've been here as long as I've been here. Sorry guys, I wish you guys had some music to listen to while I clean. Have not found out how to do that feature yet, but I'm learning. I've only been here, have my page for 3 months now, and I've been learning everything on my own by just researching things on YouTube and Google. Remember guys, it's not that dirty at all because I keep up with the refrigerator before I go to the grocery store. I always do this either the night before I go to the grocery store or maybe a day or two, but this is the night before I go to the grocery store. And like I said, I do it every 2 weeks or every 2 to 3 weeks, so it's not that dirty at all. This side down here, I took this drawer out and clamped up under the bottom. Sometimes I don't like to mess with this one because it acts funny. I don't want it to tuck, you know, mess around with it tonight and can't get it back in there properly. And my son, I believe, is asleep or on his way to sleep. He'll probably come and do it for me, but I don't want to bug him. He has to work tomorrow all day. So, okay guys, what I do when I get finished with the bleach water and the soap, I just rinse it out with clear water. And I just go back over everything with just the regular clear water. Get that right there. I forgot. I gotta get it. The tray that I keep the cheese, and I forgot to get this one right here where I keep the cheese and deli meat at. But I get it in a second. So guys, for you, some of you who have been here for a while, well, from day one when I started my channel 3 months ago, tell me, how do you like my channel so far and how I'm doing? I really want to know your feedback, your honest opinion. Just be respectful. That's all I ask. Respect me and respect my other followers. I really appreciate it. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. And I like to hear them all. Yeah, this is where I like to keep my cheese and deli meat that we're going to use that week or two. For a week or two, you know. Keep it in that tray. Yeah, I know my channel is not as fancy as some people, but that's okay. I'm really happy with my channel so far. Like I said, I learned everything that I learned on my own by doing my own research, how to start a YouTube channel, and I already knew the things that I wanted to talk about and post about, you know. But I had did everything on my own after asking people, you know, for about a year or two. I just decided to, hey, you can read, you can comprehend very well. Go do your own research. That's what I do. That's me. That's what I do in life anyway. I'm the type of person, I really don't trust nobody information but my own anyway. I've been like that all my life. Because if something go wrong, I only want to blame myself. So like I said, my channel's not fancy, but I'm happy with it so far, and I'm learning every day. Okay guys, I'm going to do something new here. Put these in the refrigerator. I'm going to... One more thing I forgot to do. Hold on 1 second. Working with one hand here. I wanted to go back over these. What I think I'm going to do is start putting stuff back in the refrigerator real quick. Well, no, I can't do that. That's okay. Sorry for that loud noise, guys. I want to do this first. That way I really won't have to worry about having to do too much of work. I pre-cut these a week ago because I already knew I wanted to do this, so I pre-cut them. I measure it and pre-cut it, so it had been waiting on me for about a week. So thank God I did it ahead of time and I wouldn't have to worry about it. So what I'm gonna do, I decided to put it on the first shelf and the second, because I didn't really have any more to go on the third, but that's okay. Really, where you get the most spills and crumbs and stuff, that is on the first and second. Usually at the third shelf is shelves down at the bottom is where I keep like leftovers after cooking a big dinner or something. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. And if you want to know, these are left over from when I did my linen closet when I first moved here 2 years ago. I put these inside of my linen closet, and I got these from Target. I believe it was $4.99. I put it in my linen closet, and I believe on the top of inside two of my closets, on the top of two of my closets and my linen closets. Okay, so this is what the bottom shelves are looking like. This is the second shelf, and this is the first. We're not going to worry about the third one. I didn't have enough anyway, but if I did, I would have put it there, but that's okay. So now I can start loading stuff back in there. I really need more eggs. I keep this in the refrigerator too. This was part of a set. And I keep bread in here in buns. Can you believe this is the only thing that I have left? Yes, I keep a lot of my condiments once I open in the refrigerator. I was raised that once you open up something, you put it in the refrigerator so it can last longer. And I like it. Like for instance, we keep our, once we open it, well really to be honest with you, I never like to keep my buns and bread and stuff on the counter. I just don't. We always keep it in the refrigerator. It stays fresher longer anyway. Plus, I don't want bugs or ants. But yeah, we was raised that once you open up something, you have to put it in the refrigerator. And like I said, it does, it do stay fresher longer. My wine coolers. I buy wine coolers once a year, well twice a year. I buy it for my birthday. I drink it in when New Year's come in. I'm not a drinker, guys. It's either that or maybe like light wine. Potatoes that I get when I go to my local store, these are usually 99 cents. I usually keep a couple of these down here, and these two is the last two I have had for the last month, and I just like to keep some potatoes down here in this drawer with some onions and sometimes maybe some tomatoes. And this drawer is for any cheese or deli meat. Down here, I usually keep head of lettuce, green onions, and maybe some fruit here and on the third shelf. Also on the third shelf, any leftovers. So the only thing I have left is these right here, but it's just a little in here. So I'm gonna put these in a small bag and just set them in the back. These are really good, guys. I got them from Sam's Club. I believe they was like $5 something, but they went up. They're like $8.98 now. I don't know if I'm gonna get them again, but they are really, really good and something quick and easy to grab when you're doing like your salads, making soups, anything you want to put bacon on. And it's called the Real Bacon Crumbles, and they are really, really good. But spending $5.98 all these, you know, all this time for about a year or two, and then now it's $8.98. So I don't know how I feel about that. I might just go back to my regular bacon and, you know, use my regular bacon. But for convenience, it's really, really good. So anyway, here you go, guys. That's the door parts. It's really empty for now. This is what I have in there. This is the second shelf, and there's nothing down here. So okay, guys, that's it. It's nothing else. Sorry it took so long. I tried to be quick as I can working with one hand. And I give you a sneak peek for my freezer. I'm gonna fill in the gaps. I really don't like to have gaps. This is the door part. So okay, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Take care and stay safe. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.